Hello everyone, this is Everything Explained, and in this video I'm going to explain what is SDK, Software Development Kit. When you write a software application, what you're doing is basically writing a set of code that's going to control your hardware. What you're doing is providing set of instructions for your computer hardware to perform. That's what your software application is. So now we are going to talk about what is software libraries. So in this diagram you see that you have hardware and you have your application. Your application is going to tell your hardware what it needs to do. Let's take an example. Now let's take you want to write an application that would have a circle and say this is circle, and draw a rectangle and say this is rectangle, maybe for kids to learn what different shapes are. So if you want to write this application all on your own, what you need to do is step 1, write code to draw the circle, and step 2, put the text circle next to it, and step 3, draw a rectangle with your own code and then print the text rectangle next to it. Now, what is software libraries? Software libraries are basically a set of code that does functionality on its own. What What I mean is basically library is set of code that has been already written by someone else to perform certain tasks. Reusing these libraries or APIs would help you to reduce the number of lines you write in your code, making your application thinner. And this now applications can use your libraries to control the hardware. They need not to directly do everything. So now say same example where you want to draw a circle and print circle next to it, and a rectangle and print rectangle next to it. Now the step 1, you're not writing code to draw the circle. What you're doing is you're asking the API or the library to draw the circle for you. So the library does the hard work and draws a circle for you. You just need to print the text circle next to it. You can do the same for drawing rectangle. You just ask the API or library to draw this for you, and you just print the word rectangle next to it. So basically, library is a set of code that's pre-written by someone else that can help you get certain things done. This can reduce the number of code you write, and it can reduce and make your application thinner. So what is software development kit? Software development kits are provided by various soft vendors, mainly containing a library. So let's take a software development kit like Android SDK. So what it provides is a set of libraries using which you can control certain part of Android hardware. So libraries that helps you do certain things. So main part of an SDK is the software library, and then it some SDKs also provides you an IDE or maybe a plugin for your IDE. IDEs like Eclipse or anything out there. And also these, as bundled with software development kits, are debuggers, tools that can help you to debug what you're writing, how your code is performing, and how the libraries are being utilized and how errors are happening. And it also sometimes provides you tools that can help you to simulate an environment. In case of Android, once again, you would get an Android simulator where you can run your code inside an Android device virtually in your computer and see how things are performing. So basically, software development kit is mainly a software library or an API that's going to help you to write code to govern, to control a hardware easily, and bunch of other tools that can help you in various scenarios like in developing or in debugging. Thank you. That's all about software development kit. Hope this was helpful. Please like this video if you thought this was helpful.